During installation of Windows 11, you may encounter a problem, that is TPM 2.0 is not installed or not enabled. Now, what is this TPM? We can easily understand about this TPM. This gives the security to your hardware, as antivirus gives the security to your software, to your PC. Similarly, this TPM provides the security to your hardware. Mostly new PCs are with TPM, but in many of them it is not enabled. You can enable this and can install Windows 11. Here I will show you how we can enable this. For this, you need to go to your boot menu. You cannot enable this into Windows directly because this is a hardware level security. So you need to go to boot menu and there you need to enable this. So how to enable this and how we can then install Windows 11? Let's see that. On booting, when logo appears, click on delete F12 or F2, whichever the key, enter into the boot menu. Here is the boot menu. Here myself using a Gigabyte B450 Pro Wi-Fi motherboard. You may have this type of motherboard or a different type, but one thing is common in all the motherboards. What you do? You need to go to security settings that may be inside BIOS. Here you can see security option setup, but we are not looking for this option. We are looking for a different option which may be found inside preference. Here you can see that AMD CPU FTPM. This is important if you are using AMD processors or AMD processor compatible motherboards. You need to search for this FTPM and you must check whether it is disabled or enabled. If it is disabled, then click on enable and it will get enabled. After that, you just go to save and exit. Here is the setting, save and exit setup. Now if you want to check whether these settings are enabled or not, just click on Windows button and then R. Here you will see that tpm.msc, or you can simply type that and click on OK. Allow, yes. And you see here you get the TPM management on a local computer. So this is the simple way to enable TPM on your computer. And now you can easily install Windows 11 into your computer because TPM is enabled. You will never get that error. And installation of Windows 11 is much easier. Here myself upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I'm not clean installing Windows 11. If you are clean installing Windows 11, then make sure that TPM is enabled there. Otherwise it will not install because this is the primary requirement of Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then click on a like button and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the notification icon so that you get notifications as soon as any video is uploaded to this channel. Thank you very much.